Hey students, welcome to Sri Kolhapuri School of Doll Making. This is Nisha here. Thank you for registering for the free doll making webinar on 30th of January. Some of you have asked me questions like, do we need materials? What will you teach, etc. etc. I thought I will take a short video and explain what is this class all about, what you will be learning, etc. Okay, so this class, as I said, it is on 30th January and it is between 11 to 12:30 a.m. The class will be through Zoom live session. So all those who have joined in the WhatsApp group, I will be sharing the Zoom link by 29th evening so that you can register. So the Zoom link, the link that I will be sharing in the WhatsApp group, you need to register by giving your name and email ID. And then a link will also come which you can just click on and join the class. So I will be sharing those details in the WhatsApp group. So that is step 1. And the step 2 and the second thing is you don't need any materials for this class. What I will be teaching you is how I am converting an ordinary doll into a beautiful doll using simple items. So when I say simple items, the items which are available at home most of the times, almost all the items will be available except for one or two. And I am also going to tell you what are the materials that we have to use, where you can find, and if that material is not available, what is the alternate. So this will also be taught. So anybody who is completely new to this doll making will be able to understand the concept of doll making or doll makeover in easy and simple method. So that is what you will be learning. And as a special bonus, I will be also giving you marketing tips, how I started this industry and as an individual, and how I have grown up as an entrepreneur giving employment to many. So I am going to give you some marketing tips as well, which you can implement. If you want to start this as a business, you can implement. Even otherwise, you can if it is just for your hobby, it does not matter. You can learn and teach your children. So that's the third thing. And the fourth thing is all those who join for the class, I will be giving you a special access to the VIP group. So I have an exclusive group. So all those products, if you want to sell your products which is related to dolls or doll making, you can sell through my Facebook page. It is a free platform and I'm not charging anything as of now. So this is only for the students who come in for the class and who make some handicrafts and they want to they don't know how to sell. I am going to open my platform for you so that you can sell through my Facebook page. Fine, that is the gift for all of you. And the final gift is all those who participate till the end. I'm going to give you all a participation certificate on doll making, which is going to help you in your future endeavors. And I will also be talking about other programs, the paid programs, and those who are interested, you can take up the paid programs as well. Hope this is very clear. Do not miss this class. I will meet you on 30th January at 11 a.m. I request you to log in some 10-15 minutes, 10 minutes before, or at least 5 minutes before, so that everybody trying to log in at the same time, there might be some lag. So at least some 5 minutes before, I request you to log in. Keep a notebook and a pen so that if you have any questions, make a note of the questions and I will answer all the questions at the end of the session. That is, after the live demo, I will be explaining it to you. I will be answering to your questions. If you have any questions relating to doll making, I will be happy to help you. Any questions, do not hesitate. Keep a notepad and a pen ready. I'm here to help you out. See you on 30th then. Bye bye.